I'm in my 20s and I constantly feel like I'm going through a midlife crisis. Today is the day. I'm pressing the restart button and I'm trying again. But this time, I'm going to fall in love with every aspect of my life, starting with my hair. I did a previous collaboration with a company called Go Hair, and I absolutely adored the whole process of getting clip-ins done for the first time. They reached out to me again, and I was super excited, especially as I was going through a period in my life where I felt like I needed a pick-me-up. Plus, I remember being so in love with their hair, so come with me to get slayed again. I ordered the classic clip-in hair extensions in the shade Natural Black 1B. This time, however, the 1B was darker than my hair, but I wasn't worried because my hairstylist works wonders. Like, her hands are very magical. I also got this in 16 inches because last time I got 22 inches and I honestly didn't know how to act. Simply because the hair was gorgeous, like it was so nice. I fell in love with it. It was waist length and I tried everything in my power to maintain the style. And when I say I tried everything in my power, I mean, 1, I did not go to the gym once. 2, I did not lift a finger. And number 3, I lived in a bonnet because there was no way under any circumstances was my hair getting wet, nor would I be busting a sweat. When I tell you the style lasted, yeah, I was in love. And this is why I opted for 16 inches. It is the exact or almost the exact length of my natural hair. With Go hair extensions being 100% Remy hair, it is super easy for the hair to blend and remain undetected within my natural hair. This time also, I will feel no way at all to go to the gym and sweat this hair out because it is at a length that I find to be super easy to maintain. These clip-ins are really easy to install on my own and it takes no more than 20 minutes. I just thoroughly enjoy a service of leaving my home and getting my hair done professionally. It's just the whole experience of having a weight lifted off your shoulders and not having to worry about anything, especially if you're lucky enough to have a relationship with your hairstylist that then becomes your therapist. I believe that once that sort of relationship is built, that's when you know that, yeah, you're locked in for life. And Zara, I will see you next month. Same time. This install and style was so quick and I'm still so impressed with how well the hair extensions took to the heat. My hairstylist was hyping me up and I really started to feel beautiful. I could feel my confidence increasing and now I can definitely say I was so happy and looking forward to date night. Thank you so much to Go Hair and thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you so much. And if you ever feel as if you're going through a difficult period in your life, don't be so hard on yourself. Think about all the positives, the highlights, and all the achievements in your life. And then I need you to breathe, get up, and try again. Have an amazing week, and I will see you in the next video.